Welcome to the video tutorial on accessing the Boulder County Campus Library homepage. We'll begin at frontrange.edu. Towards the top of the page, you'll have the option to select Student Experience. When you select Student Experience, a blue menu will appear. Libraries will be the fourth option down from the top. When you select Libraries, you will reach the Front Range Community College Libraries splash page. This will provide basic information and our locations. From here, you can choose Boulder County Campus, Larimer Campus, or Westminster Campus Library. For this tutorial, we will select Boulder County Campus. Now you are at the home page of Boulder County Campus Library. Thanks for watching.